Fresh from the oven, cherry crisp with frozen cherries is undoubtedly toothsome and great for last-minute desserts on get-togethers. The fruity filling is sweet with a warm flavor and crunchy texture due to the crisp oat topping. Its sweetness is versatile since you can adjust it with the fruit's ratio or topping you desire. For this reason, this recipe is a simple solution to desserts for anyone who does not care much for a pie crust. Health benefits of cherries. Cherries are packed with potassium, fiber, and vitamin C, essential nutrients for the body to function well. It also prevents chronic disease risk since it is abundant in anti-inflammatory compounds and antioxidants. Not only that, but cherries are rich in polyphenol antioxidants and potassium, which have heart protective properties. Cherries provide many health benefits and are exceedingly yummy. Eating cherries will boost heart health, speed recovery after exercise, and improve sleep. It is easy to add cherries to your diet because they are delectable and they work well with a variety of baked goods. Being mindful of what you eat, especially if you are a sweet tooth, is not that difficult, and cherries can contribute greatly to losing weight. What you will need. Ingredients: 5 cups of frozen cherries, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 cups instant oats, 1 1/2 cups white sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1 cup of butter. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly coat the baking dish with a non-stick cooking spray. Step 2. Grab a bowl and toss in the cherries with lemon juice and vanilla. Add white sugar and half flour, then whisk until it incorporates. Afterward, pour into the prepared baking dish and set aside. Step 3. In another bowl, add oats, brown sugar, and the remaining flour. Then, cut in the butter until it becomes crumbly. Spatter the cherries on top. Step 4. Next, bake in the oven for about 55 minutes, or until topping is golden brown. Cover the crisp with aluminum foil for the last 15 to 20 minutes, so the cherries can thoroughly cook and soften without the crisp browning. Step 5. Take it out from the oven, set it aside to cool on the rack. Serve and enjoy. Tips and tricks. I recommend using frozen cherries rather than cherry filling. A whole different method and recipe are needed for that. Cherries are best stored in the coldest section of the fridge, uncovered and unwashed. Just make sure to wash them thoroughly with cold water when you are ready to consume them. As much as possible, do not store them near strong-smelling foods. If there are leftover cherry crisps, immediately put them in a sealed container in the fridge for as long as 5 days. Ensure not to put them in warm areas or direct sunlight. From time to time, check your cherries for decay. A single bad cherry can spoil the rest of the cherries. If you want to make a cherry crisp with frozen cherries in advance, assemble the crisps ahead of time, then wrap properly with cling wrap and put them in a zip-top bag in the freezer. If it is time to serve, remove the cling wrap, then bake from frozen for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.